Katie, you're slaying this. Oh, I got a smile. Oh, I got that one. That was a triple chin right there. What's up, YouTube? This is RPS of MP Media again, coming at you with another video on a 3-light setup. I'm here with my great friend, Katie. We shot many times already before. You know, we're in the glitter shoots and a bunch of other shoots in the past, and we're gonna do this whole 3-light setup for you. Now, Katie, since we have talked about this before, we chatted about what to look for in a photographer. So what are your tips on looking for a photographer? Let's reiterate what we said in the past to this new audience today.
Yeah, so what I normally look for is I first kind of look at their work. I'll kind of, navigate, do I like their style? Do I see a lot of nude shoots? I'll look into it. Sometimes I'll see if I recognize somebody that shot with them. That's usually a good pointer. Like, okay, if they've shot with them, then I can also reach out to them. Hey, how was this photographer? I'll kind of also get a background from them too. If I start noticing, too much texting, or hey, they send me a lot of photos of like nude, sometimes I don't really feel comfortable with doing nude shoots other than him. It's just one of those things that you just really have to be careful. They can take these photos, they can do a lot with it, of course. And, you just really got to make sure that you are comfortable with that person, especially being naked. It can be a little more vulnerable for most people. But with him, I do not care. He also has an amazing fiance, and I think that kind of helps as well, having a woman there who also is, more, and really when he takes the photos too, he's looking at the photos, not necessarily looking at you. The comments too are very appropriate, like good shot. It's not like, God damn, it's definitely, he's very professional in the way that he works. I definitely recommend him. He's absolutely amazing.
Kind of high-end professional talk right there. That's pretty dope of Katie. Let's get to this 3-light setup. We're gonna do 2 locations, and I hope you learned something. You'll see what each light does individually, plus the whole combined drama. All right, guys, stay tuned. What we got going on over here, we have Jen applying sheen to Katie. What sheen does, it actually adds a nice little gloss on the physique. So when you're taking shots and that flash of light pops on the physique, it's gonna really bring out a nice little glow, a nice little extra shine to the skin. It actually smooths it out too, so when you're shooting models, I highly recommend getting sheens like an olive oil, coconut oil spray. Get it in Target, Walmart, sometimes Safeway. Get some sheen, apply it to your models before shooting. Apply it to the delts, the glutes, abs, chest. Really works well, all right? Avoid the face. You don't want too much sheen on the face at all, so never apply to the face, but the physique, absolutely. Here we go. There's rim 1, rim 2. Good, hold that, great. Fill. Good. Now we're gonna do combined. Awesome, there we go. Now we can rock and roll a shoot here. All right, love that, good. Come pull up the hair a little bit. Yeah, right there, yep. Good, chin up. Good, and you're gonna look towards your right shoulder a little bit. Yep, right shoulder, left. There we go. Great, there we go, gorgeous. Chest up a little bit, good, right there, pop the hip. Great, good. Look at that right shoulder a little bit more. Yep, there we go. Good. Love it. Good. Great. Excellent. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Pop the glutes. There you go. Boom. Beautiful. Close your eyes for me. Good. Relax. Good. Right there. Love that. Good. Love that. Good. Good. Love it, getting every angle here. Looks fantastic. Love that. Great. Good, 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 good. Head up more, eyes closed. Relax the lips. Good, breathe in and breathe out. Good. Oh, great shot. Good job. Relax. No, because you're there. It's just those little tweaks, like you're just shifting. You want half a step this way? Good, right there. Good, love it, gorgeous. Look at that right shoulder and go. Beautiful. Good. Just relax. Beautiful. 1. You're doing great. 2. 3. Good. And now all of them. All right, so we're gonna start off with your hair. Yep. Good. Love that. Good. Beautiful. Good. 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 Chest up, tight. Boom. Relax. Good. God damn. Oh, God, my abs hurt from that shit. God damn. Good. Love that. A little bit right there. Why don't you put your hands on your chest, kind of like this? Yes. Right there. Beautiful. Good. Love it. Good. Love it. Head up and put back against the wall. There we go. Good. Yes. Eyes closed now. Beautiful. See your legs? They're like this. Let's open the stance a little bit. Yeah. Because when I'm shooting close torso, when you're having like not far apart, it kind of looks like one unit. When you spread apart, it's going to have that whole like scissor effect. Okay? Open scissor effect. There we go. Beautiful. Chest up. Close your eyes. Now, yes, good. Good. Lovely. Now you're going to see that you move one of the lower lights, the fill lights, across. You're going to see what it does now. This will highlight the side of the glutes all the way up. Good. Fantastic. Love that. Keep looking down like that. That was awesome. Yeah, yeah. Good. Good. That's great. Good. Oh, that's fantastic. Good job. Love it. One more. Relax. All right, guys, I hope you learned some today. We did a 3-light setup in multiple different locations so you see what the effect was. It's important for me to display to you what each light does. You know, whenever I look at tutorials on YouTube, not many people display of what each rim and what the key fill light does. So I hope that gives you a good reference point of how much of a soft light is on the physique on each light. How did you think the shoot went? Did you like it?
I loved it. Absolutely amazing. I'm tired though.
Lying. But she needs to do cardio. I ain't gonna lie. I thought I was out of shape.
I didn't want you to say, yes, I do need to do cardio. I've been trying. 2022. Let's get back into our fitness, right? Both of us.
Now,
We got this.
hey, but on that note, this month has been my message of being comfortable in your own skin. I know a lot of fitness competitors avoid, I mean, like the plague, taking photo shoots in off season when they're not in contest shape. So can be a message you give, Katie, today to the viewers out there of go shoot, even when you're not shredded to the bone.
Actually, I get a lot of feedback as I look better not being so shredded. I mean, of course, we all love doing shoots when we're shredded, but in my personal opinion, I do like to look fuller. I feel like it's really important to love your body in any shape you're in, whether you're in competition shape, you know, whether you just had a baby, you know, and you're trying to lose that baby weight, whatever it is. Go have a photo shoot, feel good about yourself, have him, because he'll make you feel comfortable, even if you feel like you have a few extra pounds. You know, who cares? Embrace yourself, love yourself, that's all that matters.
If I could do anything over when I was competing a lot is to do more photo shoots. Shredded, off season. I mean, some of my favorite photos of like fitness guys was the animal pack shots, like Frank McGrath, all those guys in the black and white gyms, you know, Dorian Yates. They weren't contest shape, none of them. They were just full, hard, oiled up, training with heavy weights, black and white, a lot of contrast. If I could do it all over again, I would have done more shoots within a second. I didn't. So my encouragement is to everyone, get out there and shoot. If you want to remember these days, because they're going to be they're all temporary. All these fitness days are temporary. We're not young forever. Go out and shoot. So important. Remember it. You can show your kids, grandkids, whatever. Pick big pictures of yourself on the wall. Go do it. So I hope you learned something today about getting out there and shooting. Also the 3 light setup, guys. Until next time, later. Okay, so what are we doing? We're doing 3 lights, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's move up. Let's move up. Let's move up. That's pretty good. Okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. Let's start over.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Okay.